special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Alright, people, we're back with yet another update on Kushane Carter's case. Recently, Kushane had his first court hearing where some critical details emerged, intensifying speculations around the allegations, many wondering, could the alleged victim indeed be his stepdaughter?
Madam Clerk has made note of that, and that will be granted. Kushane Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
Charging affidavit that charges you with little serious behavior, child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the Office of Public Defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year?
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Okay. No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of brutal lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I swear.
Alright, so let's delve into it. During the hearing, the judge set a special condition that Kushane would have no contact with the listed victim or a list of victims. I'm not really sure what she said because it wasn't clear, but it sounds like a list of victims. So probably there are more victims, but that's just allegedly. I tell me what I think. This includes maintaining a separate residence, meaning he won't be allowed to live in the same home as the child While this doesn't confirm the identity of the victim, it certainly adds fuel to the speculations, especially since Chrissy's eldest daughter has been the focus of many of these discussions online. Cushing requested a one-time visit to retrieve his belongings, which the court granted. With this decision, it's clear that the case is moving forward under strict conditions. Supporters, family members, and fans alike are watching closely to see how the Carters will navigate these new challenges. What do you think this new development means for the Cushing and Chrissy? And with these conditions set, how do you think their family will handle the ongoing situation? Let's know in the comments. And even though this fuels curiosity, it is still in the best interest of the child that most of us on the internet respect that us consistently forming our own opinions, posting her picture can still impact her long term, her mental health, even if it's not her. So even if it's not her, it will still impact her because when she got to school, bullying still gonna take place. So I think that we should tone it down on posting the child, and so even saying the child's name, better address her as Chrissy's daughter or Cushing's stepdaughter. That made more sense than calling her name and so forth. But yeah,